Hello, eighth graders. Hope you all are enjoying your time here. I just wanted to go through the assignments for you guys for the next 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the third through the fifth. So on Monday we are starting John Adams' presidency. One of the issues that took place during his presidency was known as the XYZ Affair. You'll figure that out in a minute as to why. So we've got a normal agenda here for you guys. You just have a copy of it. It kind of goes through what you're doing. So you'll go through notes. The assignment itself looks like this. So it's kind of guided notes for you guys to go through, and then you'll do something else with it. So um, the warm up question is here. Please answer the warm up question. Sounds kind of strange. Okay, it's not a normal warm up question, but give it a real answer because it kind of helps lead into what we're looking at with the XYZ affair. All right, the notes they're kind of started for you, show you what you got to do, and then obviously you'll fill in the blanks there. So as you go through, um, they are in order. You'll pretty easily be able to follow the notes. Think, pair, share. You get to that, and it is sorry, um, not in here, but maybe we don't need to do that in here. Sorry. So you get here, election 1796, and must have. Oh, you know what? You guys aren't going to have to go down this far. Oh, sorry, we're up here. Yep, sorry. So that stuff is there for you guys. And then you'll get to the XYZ affair. Okay. The XYZ affair starts right here where it says XYZ affair. The origins. You see the yellow thing right here that says origins. That's what you're going to be looking at for the notes section that says origins. And then you'll go to Talleyrand. This was one of the gentlemen involved. Um, you see right here where it says his name. Okay, so follow along with this little subheading. Okay, to go with the notes. American response is right here. American response, and so on. Okay, this is where it says answer on your notes document. You will answer that question right here on your notes document. And then the headline routine. Okay. This explains what you need to do. You are creating a newspaper headline with a brief caption explaining the headline. You guys have done this before. Okay. Um, so, what I want you to do with this is, again, you will double click on this to open it as a drawing. Always click save and close. Okay. Um, you'll write the headline about the XYZ affair here, subheading that clarifies what you're talking about, and then an image that goes with that headline. Okay. That's day one. All right. Should be pretty straightforward. Basically, guided notes leading into a headline routine for you guys to show understanding of what happened in the XYZ affair. Day two. Apparently, I have too much open for my computer. That's not for you guys. Day two is on February 4th, and that is continuing with Adams' presidency. But it's the second major event, which is the Alien and Sedition Acts. These are extremely pertinent to the Bill of Rights, okay, to checks and balances, to the separation of powers that we have just talked about with the Constitution. Um, you guys see here, you got to warm up. You're paraphrasing the learning target right there, but you guys will really, you can do that kind of in your head. So here's the guided notes for Alien and Sedition Act. You will do vocab, and you'll see the first slide is vocabulary for alien, which is not like an outer space alien, but a foreigner, somebody who is not a naturalized citizen of the country where they are living. And then sedition is conduct or speech inciting people to rebel against the authority of a government or government official. So again, think about the United States, think about our First Amendment, and think about how fair or not fair that is. Then it goes through the notes, talks about what the Alien and Sedition Acts were, and then you will have this one final question to answer. That's your ticket out the door question. Okay, so really for today, Tuesday, you guys are just answering these questions as you go through the notes, and then doing that ticket out the door after doing the vocab. Pretty straightforward, should be very doable. And of course, at this point, if you're listening and you did not finish the crash course from Friday, which is today for me, but if you didn't finish the crash course from last Friday, January 31st, do that if you have extra time. And then finally, Wednesday, we are on to the third president, President Jefferson. Your notes will look like this, or your agenda will look like this. I'll change the date here. And really, what you guys will need to do with this is a DRTA. So, in order for it to make sense, answer the before reading questions before you go through the reading. Okay. And then read. Page numbers are listed on the agenda. You guys will need a textbook. 9th hour, please put them away. 1st hour, obviously, you guys will get them out. Textbook pages are right here, 310 to 313. Again, go through these questions, answer the before. There's 6 before questions and 6 after questions, obviously. After you read through these and answer the before on your own, you will know what you're reading for on these 4 pages of reading. Okay. After you're done with the DRTA, you will use page 312 in the textbook to create this bubble map for Jefferson's Revolution. He changed a ton of stuff in our government from when he started until he ended, and a lot of it dealt with his beliefs, with his party's beliefs of smaller government, spending less, all of those things. Okay, and that's really it. If you guys have a snow day, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, which I've heard there's supposed to be some weather coming in, obviously just do the day befores. They're set to load, so they will load, but do it goes in the order of XYZ, Alien and Sedition, and then Jefferson. Okay. Good luck. Be good for the sub. When we get back, obviously, there's the expectation that you guys have completed all of this and that you guys have an understanding of kind of what went on during our second and third presidencies in the United States. Good luck and be good.